been in Frisco now for about 28 years, and we were a small clinic for a long time and really just trying to provide the best, wellness care that we could for our patients. Our core mission is just to make sure these guys have the best quality lives they can and to increase that human-animal bond between the client and their pet. We got ezyVet in January of 2018, and I actually had not heard of ezyVet, but I had heard of SmartFlow. And then when we made the move to our new facility, I wanted to have something that was cloud-based. I wanted to have several boxes that I needed ticked off, and I was looking at SmartFlow and it said it easily integrated with ezyVet. So I looked at it and I thought, this looks like what we were looking for.
I would say ezyVet is my saving grace. I'm a big proponent for ezyVet. I love ezyVet. It's very easy through the change log and through every aspect of the clinical record from the appointment to the invoice that you can see who's where as it integrates with VetRadar and SmartFlow as well. It also allows us to see what room they're in or who's with them in that moment or who checked it in if you need to go answer questions or anything like that.
The way we are set up right now is basically I enter the room, I perform a physical exam. The technician has already been in there, taken the temperature, pulse, respiration, entered all that into the system, which it goes into ezyVet. Once I'm done with my exam, I leave that room. Now, unless we have a diagnosis or something, or a sick patient, or I need to go back in and talk to them, I'm done. I move on. Everything else is carried out, x-rays, blood work, you name it. That's all taken care of by the technician. And I don't think we could do that without a system that allows us to input that data quickly and efficiently. So that right there absolutely has saved a tremendous amount of time just switching over to ezyVet to be able to have that and do that quickly. We're always innovating and trying to see what can we do faster and more efficiently and still give the owners the feeling that we're taking time to be with them and talk to them and not feel rushed. And I think that's the other aspect of having more time, is that not necessarily to squeeze more patients in a day, but to give the owners that feeling that they talk to me, they care about me. We need to establish that value.
I think ezyVet support is a great tool that I don't think a lot of people use. So one of the biggest things that I would say to anyone trying to think if they want to use ezyVet is to take advantage of the support system that ezyVet has. They're very nice and hospitable and they're very knowledgeable, and it's how I was able to learn ezyVet in such a short amount of time. For anyone who the details matter, and the details matter in medicine and the care for a pet, I would say ezyVet is the #1 software that I would recommend.
I can't see us outgrowing this system at this point. I'm part of a group of clinics in Texas that we all share ideas and encouragement, and they all have different softwares. I think ezyVet is probably one of the most powerful ones out there. It will continue to increase your productivity and have things for you before you need them. I'd encourage anyone to look into ezyVet and seriously consider it. It is a powerful software.